Let's take a look at creating a production plan for my can of Pilsner, which is one of my assembled products. We have a couple of things we need to check before we jump into AIM. First, do I have a bill of materials set up for the product? We can check that out under Production, Bill of Materials, and View Bill of Materials, and then search for our product. We also want to ensure that we've set our production duration. So how many days a week you work on this product, how many hours of the day, and how long each unit takes to make. Once this is set, AIM will update with your current stock on hand. This takes roughly an hour. Now that we're all set with our pre-check list, let's jump into the product's forecast in AIM. The strategy for this product is already set up. This will vary from product to product, business to business, etc. Next, we'll enable the component demand on the checkbox here, which is turned off by default, and submit the forecast here. When you're happy with your strategy, you can export your production plan and it will do all the replenishment calculations for you. There's also the option to choose the source warehouse. So in here, I could have a sales location, a distribution center, or a shop, and as an example, say I need to refill 6 packs in the factory. And so you would choose the drop-down menu to say that the sales forecast is for this location, but actually I want to transfer the component demand to the factory to make sure the factory has a picture of what the demand is, and that will get transferred across to be in the forecast of a different warehouse for the components. If you want to, you can retweak things, change the forecast, add a new month, forecast for the new month that's just appeared, etc. Hit submit and it will calculate and download the new production plan. By setting forecasts of finished products and having those forecast replenishments, you'll be able to supply enough finished product to meet that forecast. This will inform the forecast of the required components and create a replenishment plan to flow product through your business and fulfill your customers' needs. Thanks for watching.